Welcome to my channel RR into your kitchen. Please subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes and don't forget to click bell icon to get new notifications. Hi friends, today I am going to show you how to prepare restaurant style delicious guacamole at home. Guacamole is creamy, tangy, salty recipe prepared with avocados. This homemade guacamole is a quick and easy appetizer and can also be used as spread on sandwiches and wraps. So without any delay, let's jump to the recipe. To prepare this recipe, we need ripe avocados. So first we'll see how to select avocados. Always select dark green avocados turning to purple color. Next, gently squeeze the fruit. If it feels firm, it is not ripened yet. Next, check the stem on the top of the fruit. Gently peel the stem off. If it comes easily and looks green underneath, that means it's green inside. If the stem doesn't come off, avocados are not ripened yet. If you don't get ripe avocados, I'll tell you how to ripen them. Place the unripened avocado in a paper bag along with the fruit, banana or apple, and seal the top of the bag and leave it for 2 days. To slow down the ripening process, place avocados in fridge and bring back to the room temperature before preparing guacamole. Take 2 avocados. First, slice the avocados lengthwise straight down to the pit all around like I am showing. Twist the halves apart. Remove the pit with a knife. Use the kitchen towel or cloth to remove the pit from the knife. Do not throw the pit, keep it aside. Next, take a mixing bowl. Scoop out the avocados with a spoon like I am showing. Now mash avocados using a masher. If you don't have masher like this, you can also use a fork to do it. Don't mash it like a paste, leave some chunks. To this, add half chopped onion, half chopped de-seeded tomato, 2 chopped garlic, 1 chopped jalpeno. If you don't have jalapenos, you can also use 1 green chilli, 2 tablespoons lime juice, quarter teaspoon salt, quarter teaspoon pepper powder, quarter teaspoon roasted cumin powder, chopped coriander, and combine well until everything mixed together. Guacamole is ready. Refrigerate for minimum 30 minutes before serving. Next, I'll show you how to store this. Take an airtight container. Place the pit in the center to avoid browning. Wrap it with plastic film like I'm showing. Cover with the lid and refrigerate. You can store this for 2 to 3 days. Simple, healthy, delicious guacamole is ready to serve. Serve like an appetizer or use like a spread on sandwiches and wraps or pair up with nachos. Serve as you like. Thanks for watching. If you like this recipe, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe to my channel RR into your kitchen for more delicious recipes.